Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Malayala and you're watching NITL Lifestyle. Date is 24th October 2021 and yes, that is the day of the epic India versus Pakistan T20 international match. T20 World Cup match, not international too. Of course it is international. Also it's a World Cup match and let's hope that India beats Pakistan against because we have having a very good against Pakistan in these ICC events and today is the match day. Let's see, like many of our friends and many of the seniors are planning some different way for experiencing the match, so they wanted to stream that in the Times Square, of course, like sitting in the groups watching in the laptops. That is one thing. And some of my friends from north, I mean Ankit, right? I think last video you have seen him, so he wants me to come to his room and his friend's room where they have a 24-inch screen and they wanted to play the match, I mean stream the match in that screen. So either that or this, or at the end if we are not okay going anywhere and we just wanted to enjoy ourselves, me and Ashish will just sit in our room and enjoy like match from our laptop itself. From morning onwards, like I didn't vlog much, but I will add some clips of what I did in the morning. So my friends were ragging me, actually not the seniors, my friends. So just like a funny part, I will add, you just see that. And after that me and Ashish went to have our lunch and then came back and just hit our beds. After like hitting the beds almost 2 to 3 hours, I went into a deep sleep and I got a very good rest now. And Ashish is now, he's suffering with headache, he's taking some rest. That's it. Now I have to go and fresh up and then decide what to do during the match today. So let's hope that India wins. And also, like I need really, like I wanted to enjoy today seeing the match. And as today is Sunday, from tomorrow again classes will start. Till Friday we'll be having classes, and from like on Saturday Sunday is holiday, so again started classes are going to start. Of course it is online. Just now got myself freshed up and Ashish is helping me with the camera. He's holding the camera there. Thank you, Ashish. Hey, welcome Chopra.
It's okay.
So I have these two packages to unbox. I think most of you already know what is there in this because I have shown you in the last video about this. So this is one of the most important product for using the LAN. So which will help us to connect LAN port to the laptop LAN port for internet. So this is category 7.1. So like I already bought one LAN wire which I got for almost 180 to 200 rupees during the, like when I bought the laptop, but it is not working properly. I mean even it is not giving proper internet connection to the laptop through that port. So I decided to buy this wire from, like a LAN wire from Amazon Basics. So there are different categories in it. This is category 7 which cost me around 550 rupees. Of course that looks silly, but I feel I want that quality and I want that good internet speed. So category 7 will surely give me that. That is why I bought this. So this is one product. And finally let me just open this. So thank you mommy for this. And yes, of course the one you guessed is right. So this is my Noise Color Fit Pro 3 Assist watch, smartwatch. So this is Noise, this is our watch is. So packing and all is everything cool. Now let me just open this package. So this is the watch. Ashish, bring the camera. Ashish has become a professional cameraman. So there is a small wrap on it. So unboxing is really fun, but after unboxing, this is what the mess we have. So cleaning up all this mess is one of the biggest tasks ever again. Of course, this is how the watch is. Now I need to set up everything. This is Ashish's mobile, same OnePlus 7. He's charging his mobile. And this is how our room is. This is how the watch looks on my hand. So really love with this. So if in future I will try to buy some other straps too, watch straps. So I mean bands, I mean so that I can use it differently also. So I can kind of like attach different watch straps and use it in a different way. It looks even beautiful with that straps. And what else? Time is 7 p.m. now. 7:30. The match is going to start. Really like excited about that particular match, and you also know about how we feel prestigious about that particular India versus Pakistan match. And also do comment on how this watch looks on my hands. And once again, thank you, mommy, if you're watching this video. Love you. And one more thing, what I understand is time has come to clean my clothes. So for the last, like I came on Wednesday, right? From then till now, I used 4 to 5 pairs of dresses. I mean, I'm regularly using t-shirts and night pants, which will become easy for me to wash. Anyhow, offline classes are not there. If it would have been offline classes, I should have worn jeans and shirts, right? In that case, it would be a tough task for me to wash everything. Here these are the pile of used clothes. So this is not whole clothes are not mine, so it also has Ashish dresses too. So some of are mine. I have to wash them tomorrow or day after tomorrow for sure, then only I can use it for the next week also. This is one task to remember now. So tomorrow I have to do if I get some free time. Time is 7:32 now, and I got a call from, and I also called Ankit Gupta and just asked him whether what is the setup and all. So he said asked me to come to 4th floor. They have set up projector there. So like I'm really excited to watch in a big screen. And that too, first comes our favorite Rohit Sharma batting. I can hear the sound now. Now I wanted to go down and I will show you the setup there. And Ashish went to Times Square actually. Like he wanted to watch with some other friends over there. So but I am coming here for the 4th floor to see the big setup. You can already see there, right? So these are out. Arre Rohit Sharma. What the hell? Out. So this is how the setup is. Speaker, projector. I think you also got excited seeing it, the clips, right? One of the best experience of me watching India versus Pakistan match. And we are like really happy today, and I really enjoyed sitting with all my friends there and enjoying each and every shot. Of course there was a little bit of stumble in the middle, but still India managed to score 151, which is really a good score. So now it's in our bowlers and fielders hand to defend that score. Hope they will do that. And just do comment on how was your experience watching those, like how did you feel after watching those clips of that live streaming of a match over there. Looks like really amazing and super duper, right? So I wanted to go near my friends who are in Times Square, but I feel here I can enjoy even more than that. So that is why I'm staying back here. Oh, hi guys, this is the next day. Actually everything is okay, but if we are ordering something from some website, I mean Amazon or Flipkart or some other official website, the only thing here is, so for taking the delivery of that, previously all the delivery boys used to come near the hostel, but now they are not allowing them, so we have to go till there and take that delivery box or packet and come back to hostel. This is one of the toughest tasks. Just now I received my charging cable. So it's a dash charging cable. Usually will not get in the outside stores. Even if we get that will be surely duplicate. So that's why I ordered it from the website. And so now as said last day, like I said, right, I have to wash my clothes. So this is the time. So today Monday 25th October 2021, almost classes are done. So at 3 o'clock we have association inaugural. Before that I have to wash the clothes and I should get ready for the event. So just now completed taking bath and also completed washing the clothes. A very big task of the day is done, not the day of the week, because till next week I need not to wash clothes again. So I will just collect pile of clothes once again and then wash it next week. That is better, right? Washing every day and drying it them every day will be a task. So this is where I dried my clothes, those and these all. this is one of the best facility which 1K has. In 1.8K we don't have this kind of facility for drying our clothes. So now we have a tab inaugural. That day we went to the school on behalf of Technical Association of Biotechnology, right? That particular association inaugural is there. So I have to join that and make it, like, we need to make it successful.